Today we will be making traditional Spanish flan. Flan originated as a savory dish in the ancient Roman times. It survived the fall of the Roman Empire and the transition into medieval times. In Spain, it was adapted into a sweet dessert made with caramelized sugar. Flan is common in Spain and would be eaten as an everyday dessert after a typical dinner like chicken and rice. Today, flan is still popular, and there are many variations, including chocolate flan, coconut flan, and many more.
Let's get started. Our ingredients include
Sugar, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, water, vanilla extract, and eggs. First, we preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Next, we put 1/4 of a liter or 1 cup of sugar into a saucepan over medium heat. Then stir in water until the sugar has dissolved completely. As the sugar is heated, it will melt into a thick syrup and eventually change color from clear to a deep brown. The sugar is going through a chemical reaction called caramelization, in which the color darkens and the flavor begins to develop into what we know as caramel. Now we will bring it to a boil and swirl the syrup occasionally, but don't stir, until it becomes a golden brown color, because stirring while it is boiling will cause the sugar to form crystals, giving the syrup an undesirable and grainy texture. Now we will pour it into our baking dish and set it aside for later. It is best to strain the eggs before cooking them. This will help remove the egg cords that hold the yolk in place, giving us a smoother, creamier textured flan. Next, we add the remaining ingredients to the bowl, such as sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla. Then we stir our ingredients together until the mixture becomes smooth, and we pour it into our baking pan. Although this recipe does not call for a water bath, many recommend it because it helps provide a consistent temperature. If the flan cooks too quickly, the egg proteins will harden and squeeze out a liquid in a process called syneresis. Then our flan will end up looking like a sponge, and we wouldn't want that. Now it will cook for 60 minutes in the oven. As the flan bakes, the egg proteins form a network that will trap the milk in a gel. The milk also adds salt necessary for the gel to form. I hope you enjoy eating it as much as I enjoyed making it.